outfit of the day. I have on this brown faux leather blazer. This is from the brand Nick and Nicole. I'm wearing a tan sweater from Cezanne, a white t-shirt from Madewell, my Avon home tote, and my little Baggu Clementine Mandarin charm. And then I just have on my red Still Here New York jeans, my brown Pesh loafers, and that is all. I just got done with my hair. Ivan always does the best job. We actually cut off so much hair, and I feel like it's so funny because whenever I go in there, I don't feel like I have that much hair to cut, but it just feels so fresh and I love it. And I love how he always does like the face framing pieces. So good. So anyways, I'm gonna head home now and I will meet up with Morgan and we will head back out. Hello everyone, happy Wednesday. I've just finished school and I dropped my camera off at Glazer's. My little vlog camera, my PowerShot V10, is having some issues with the screen and I'm so sad. I'm really hoping they can save it and bring it back to life because it's my favorite camera that I use to vlog. But I stopped at Fresh Flowers. I saw they were open right next door and I got a mini banana bread. I got a chocolate cookie and then also a brown butter chocolate chip. If you couldn't tell, I am so hungry. I have not eaten lunch yet, but I'm gonna sample all of these. I think I might stop at Goodwill. I want to see if they have any silver trays that I can use for my birthday party. And then I'm just gonna head home and it's gonna be a pretty chill afternoon. I think we're just gonna cook dinner at home, but the weather is quite gloomy and rainy and I really just want to sit at home, but be productive at the same time. So I just wanted to say hello and I will see you all a little bit later. So far, all of these are so good. Fresh Flowers Bakery in South Lake Union. For dinner tonight, we are gonna have the viral sweet potato, cottage cheese, and ground beef bowl. I haven't had it in a while, but it's so good and it hits every single time. There's a reason it's viral. Heading out to dinner. This is my outfit of the night. I have on this black wool coat from Rave. I love the high neck and the silhouette. Underneath, I just have on a gray long sleeve and a navy tee. Both are from Brady Melville, and I just layered them up. I have on my favorite Aritzia belt and my Jaded London baggy jeans, and I just have on my Keen sneakers and my little Marge Sherwood bag. So this is my outfit of the night. I'm gonna go eat some food and I'll see you all later. dinner and I made myself some tang yuan and I'm watching Veronica Mars. They put it on Netflix. I used to be like the biggest fan, or I still am, but I'm so excited. I haven't seen it in so long, so I'm starting from season 1.
Is that the thing that keeps us powering through life's feet is our faith.
Remarks. Or you could be me. My after-school job means tailing philandering spouses or investigating false
Happy Sunday, everyone. It is quite cold and rainy out, but we are heading to Queen Anne this morning. We're gonna get some coffee at Storied at Home and just kind of walk around the shops there, get out of the house, and then I think the plan is to just have a cozy day at home for the rest of the day. We got our coffee from Storied at Home. I have a cortado, and he got a cardamom latte. That's really good. What is this? Oh, it's a keychain.